In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format a proposal in Proposify. Whether you're creating a new proposal or refining an existing one, these steps will help ensure your document is professional and compelling. So, let's dive into it. First, open your favorite web browser and search for Proposify. This online platform is an excellent tool for businesses creating proposals, and we want to ensure you access the right location. When your search results load, look for the first link or any link that features the URL proposify.com, then click on it to navigate to the Proposify homepage. Once there, direct your attention to the top corner of the page and click on the Log In button. This will prompt you to enter your account credentials. After logging in, you'll be greeted with your dashboard. Here is where the real work begins. You'll need to head over to the Templates section, which you'll typically find within your content library. This is where all your existing templates reside, waiting to be customized. In the template library, skim through the selection until you find the template you wish to modify. Once identified, click on that template, which will open up the editor for you. The editor is packed full of features to help you make your proposal stand out. Begin by clicking on various text boxes. You can edit their content directly, resize them, or move them around the page to achieve your desired layout. With this feature, you have the flexibility to make each page cater to your needs perfectly. To ensure uniformity throughout your proposal, set your default font styles, sizes, colors, line heights, and alignment for different text elements, including your normal text and headings. This step is crucial for maintaining a consistent look, enhancing its readability, and giving a professional sheen to your document. As we move forward, navigate to the Tables tab, where you can define the appearance of your tables, whether they're pricing tables or content tables. Adjust the row colors, borders, and padding to reflect your brand's aesthetics. Once you've fine-tuned these settings to your liking, it's important to save your changes. Head over to the Styles and Formatting menu and click Save to apply your global settings across your proposal. Next, you may want to reorder the sections of your proposal to craft a logical and easy-to-follow narrative. You can easily drag and drop sections within the menu pane, arranging them to a flow that typically includes an opening cover page, followed by sections like the executive summary, solution, deliverables, pricing, terms and conditions, and finally, the signature page. Before wrapping up, take advantage of the preview function. This allows you to view the document from the perspective of your client, ensuring everything is aligned and formatted correctly. Once completely satisfied with your document, go ahead and assign the proposal to a main contact. Finally, with everything set, send it off for client review and signature. And there you have it, a beautifully formatted proposal in Proposify.